Alright, so that's gonna be a new series that I'm gonna start remodeling this whole house. We're gonna do different episodes, and that's basically gonna be the first one where we're gonna tear out do all the demo stuff on it, and then you will see slowly building stuff back up from kitchen, floor, walls, framing, plumbing, all that stuff. So if that's something that you like, more than welcome to join us on this journey. Nice seeing you on my channel. So I'm gonna do a walkthrough before I even start anything. So basically we closed to yesterday and we already went a little wild on the floor. I'm gonna show you that in a second. So first things first, we're gonna bring the door down to the actually bottom of this concrete because we don't like this step up over here. I think it looks ridiculous. I don't know who came up with that idea. But yeah, keep on going. We're gonna remove this wall over here, all that soffit up there, over here this wall for sure, and then we'll see if we go just halfway or full size. That's gonna be probably like a play area. All right, then jumping onto the kitchen. The whole cabinets are gonna come out. New flooring. We might leave the fireplace how it is right now. The only thing that we will probably do will be that drop, the bottom part, to take that out. That whole wall is gonna come out. All right, so over here we're gonna open that wall up and gonna put a pantry. That cabinet up there in the front, we most likely are gonna take out, bring the wall somewhere flush with this casing, so we can win some room from that side. All right, the laundry remains how it is. This side over here, we're gonna bring this wall probably also all the way to that casing and make this a pantry over there. This door I want it to be a pocket door, just because those doors, when you open both of them, you see you kind of hit it one into each other. All right, onto the master. The whole floor we already took out. We didn't have no patience. Then the popcorn ceiling definitely needs to go. There's no way around it. Those closets, that wood stuff is gonna come out. All that soffit is gonna come out, and we basically are gonna build another wall coming over here from one side to the wall to the other one. I mean from left to the right, and then in the middle we're gonna do a door for the closets. Onto the master bathroom. So cabinets are gonna come out. We're gonna basically build a door over here with an access to the toilet room. This whole wall, we have a lot of room in the garage, so we're gonna move towards the garage. In the corner we're gonna have a cutout for the water heater, and then further towards the left corner to that wall with the water heater, we're gonna do two sinks with cabinets, and this is gonna be basically a big walk-in shower. This door over here we're gonna move more towards the left. Jump on the other side of the house. Nothing too much over here. So we're debating if we should put over here a cabinet for some towels. We want to redo this bath from the tub, a new tub with tile surrounding, new toilet, new cabinets. This thing needs to go, the light needs to go, we got a new air vent. This basically probably will be the office. Obviously over here we also probably are looking forward to take all the soffit down to raise the ceiling up higher. Alright, over here we're not gonna do too much, probably a different fan, removing the soffits, the popcorn ceiling, those doors, and the shelves inside. Those ones are also like not the newest ones. Here as well we might cut out over there to bring that soffit up. Alright, this is gonna come out. We're gonna do basically a straight wall that probably will end right here, all the way up and down. Then that might be a guest room, definitely one of the bedrooms. I want to replace those doors, I don't like them. Again, popcorn ceiling, new flooring, casing, baseboards, all of that stuff. Okay, and that might be probably the kids room, one of the other bedroom. This one is a little bigger, so baseboard is gonna come out, that closet is gonna come out. We might even replace all the doors. Again, we have popcorn ceiling, we want to replace those fans. First day progress. We removed all the carpet with the text strips, baseboards. Over here we removed the tiles, that flooring, baseboard as well from out here. We took all the cabinets out. Then obviously the flooring, baseboard all the way around, casing. Then going to this room, I took all this cabinet out with the shelves, this whole door with the door jamb, because we're gonna put a pocket door in here. Alright, over here we took out the casing, flooring, casing on that, all the baseboard, the shelves in those cabinets, in those closets. Those closets are gonna come out. Then over here we removed all the wood, so that's basically all gonna come out all the way to the ceiling, and then I'm gonna build a wall. Alright, the master bathroom, we took out the tile, the tub with the surrounding, cabinets on this side, mirror, toilet. Alright. I'm pretty happy with first day of work. A lot of stuff got done. So yeah, over here on this side of the house, obviously all the carpet came out. We took all the baseboards out, shelves, those doors. We're gonna put different doors in here, new baseboards, casing. That's what I'm gonna work on right now. Popcorn ceiling will be next. All right, going over here, we're gonna leave this restroom and that sink over here. That will be the next thing that I'm gonna take out. But the toilet and the sink I want to leave in until we get close to replacing them. This bad boy, we're gonna remove this cabinet stuff over here. All the baseboard came out. Now I'm gonna work, how I said, on the casing. So all over here, carpet is all out, baseboard is all out, and the closet door, shelves, everything is out. And as well as on this room. So I think like a lot of stuff got done so far. So I'm pretty happy with the progress so far. Hope you guys liked this first episode of this remodel that I'm gonna be doing. Stay tuned for the next one. Next time we'll be probably installing, removing the soffit over here, this wall over here, that wall is all gonna come out. Then we'll definitely also remove this wall over there and bring it closer in. So next episode you're gonna see stuff like framing, demo, removing drywall and stuff like that. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys on the next episode.